Good morning. It's cruise day. So my day zero, interesting. Um, I got in super late. I was supposed to get in about 6 o'clock at night, and I didn't get in until almost eight to the airport because of some weather delays that happened in Detroit. So did end up with a late night, but this room is beautiful. The Marriott Bonvoys, you can actually like sign into your Netflix account and they reset every morning so you don't have to worry about accidentally staying logged in. It's amazing. So yeah, I ended up coming back here, ordering some room service and just chilling for the rest of the night. This morning, so it is cruise day. My check-in time is 1 o'clock, but my check out here is 11. So my plan is I am going to check out here. I got a lift over to a Walgreens where I have a pickup order that will hopefully be waiting for me. Um, and if it's not waiting for me by like a reasonable time, I will cancel the lift and just do it in two parts. I just didn't want to walk around with all my suitcase and stuff in the Walgreens. So hopefully this works. It's my first time doing like a stop. So normally I do just normally I do two steps, but we'll see how this goes. Um and yeah, I'm super excited. First celebrity cruise, and so far, like, other than the delay, things have been smooth sailing. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm really excited to see the port of Fort Lauderdale and how that goes. I have sailed out of Fort Lauderdale before. I'm trying to remember which, it might have been Princess, might have been the Caribbean Princess that I sailed out of Fort Lauderdale on. But yeah, excited about this. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us. Celebrity inside stateroom at 10:49. So I do like when you walk in, got this little vanity, ports there, light mirror. This room is kind of dark. Seating area. And this room is set up for double occupancy. Sarah was supposed to be with me. I'm going to ask her to push the beds together. There are no outlets on the beds. Looks like, let's see. Nope. No outlets. Then we have our drawers here. Nice and big. Your safe is going to be under here. TV visible from both the bed and the couch. Mini fridge with bar. The closet doesn't have any additional shelves, but do have a laundry bag, which is actually very useful. Some robes. Here's your temperature control, old school there. And got more shelving in here. Like they leave everything out so you know it's there. Shower cap and vanity set. What's in that? Your standard shower. Memory board, makeup wipe, and Q-tips. And useful. All right. That's it. That is the room. All right. I made it on board. It is almost 3 o'clock, and I haven't heard the announcement that we actually can be in our rooms. I'm just assuming that I missed it because it's almost 3 and a lot of other people are like changed and nobody's carrying around bags anymore. So not quite sure when they made that announcement. They said by 2 for sure, and it being almost 3. I'm just assuming I missed it. So this morning, I did try. I got my lift to Walgreens where I had my order waiting for me, picked that up, and then came here. I was a little bit, almost an hour before my check-in time, but had no problem. Pretty much went right through. One sad thing is I have a little charm on my bag and security snapped it off. So I'm hoping that when I get home I can fix it. But I mean, it is like a cheap charm from like Five Below, so it's cool, but not the end of the world. Um, yeah, the ship is beautiful. A lot of kids on board, a lot of people in general, and it's really hot out. So I went up and I sat out by the sunset bar in the back, and then I went and I hung out in the solarium for a bit. Both beautiful locations. I was supposed to have a work call today. That got canceled. But that's okay. And yeah, I'm gonna unpack and then do the sail away party and grab some other footage around the ship, explore a little bit more, see where the evening takes me. All right, let's go. Oh, almost right before that. I So lighting in this room is a little weird, and the best place was actually at the vanity. So normally I stand up to do these. Now I'm going to be sitting down. Also, muster was super easy. Basically, watch your video. It's a lot like Royals. Watch your videos ahead of time in the app. Um, the sound didn't work for me on them, which was weird, but whatever. I've seen them a million times. And then come in, do your muster like muster station. So mine was in the theater. Theater is beautiful. They scan your boarding pass. You don't even have to go get your seat pass first, and then you're good to go. So that was super easy, barely an inconvenience. Um, I hope you caught that reference. And yeah, so everything has been really, really smooth. I don't love how late the room openings have been on my last few cruises, and that's definitely like a cost cutting measure by the cruise lines having less staff. So, also, beds are separate. I like to have room to sprawl when I'm by myself, so I am going to ask them to push them together since I'm the only one in here. All right, let's go for real. All right, and that's a wrap on day one. So I had a lovely day. The ship is beautiful. It does feel very crowded, I will say, a little more crowded than I was expecting. There are a lot of kids. Oh, there are a lot of kids on board. Um, and that does change the vibe a little bit. However, I was able to find the like little overhang chairs from the hideaway. They were fun. I sat there and did some work. And then I also sat a while in the solarium today and went and saw the comedian magician. I did leave his show a little early. It wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great. He was a little cringe. And then went and did the game show True or False. But that was like it's in like a really weird section of the ship where it's like a high traffic area. They're doing game shows there, so that was strange. Um, yeah, and then I went and I had some tea before bed, and I was going to do one more game show, but it's not happening today. I'm really tired. I didn't sleep well last night. So, yeah, tomorrow we're in Perfect Day Coco Key. Very much looking forward to that. We're there with Wonder of the Seas, so hopefully it won't be too crowded. But all in all, Embarkation, I have to say, went very smoothly. I walked up, went through security. Uh, it is kind of like a weird way that they have things roped off in there. I wish I could have filmed it, but you're not allowed to film in there. So they like lead you around and then they check you in like twice. So you do security, you check in once, and then you go around and then check in again. And then your card, though, is on your door. Got on the ship pretty quick. I would say it was less than 15 minutes from the time I walked in the building until I was on the ship. Um, and then they do let you come in and put your stuff in your room, so I wasn't carrying my stuff around all day, so that was great. And I got to explore the ship a bit today. Oh, I also played in the casino. Lost $20 pretty quick. Yeah, I don't think I won more than $1 total back in the whole thing. It was terrible. The casino's really crowded. Everything's really crowded. This has been the most crowded feeling a cruise has been in a while. Um, I think just because it's summer and it's really hot outside too. It's like it was over 90 and humid today. So that's probably also why I'm a little tired. But yeah, I mean, other than that, things are good. Ship's beautiful. Food is great. And yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. I'll see you there.